I probably sound like my other Hermes QUOTA bag unboxing videos, but I'm super excited. So, this is my birthday haul part 1. It's gonna mainly focus on Hermes. I do have something from Longchamp. I also have some jewelry, and I have one present to show with all of you. And then in my next unboxing video, or at least my haul video, I have some stuff over there just waiting. So I'm gonna split them too because I feel like this one deserves its own video. So let's get started. This is my 3rd or at least 4th QUOTA bag, if you consider the Constance a QUOTA bag. And oh my god. Oh my god, okay. Alright. Pause the video if you probably guessed it. It's tiny. It's tiny, it's just, I got goosebumps. Okay, I'm not gonna torture you anymore. Let me just show it and we can talk about the bag. Okay, so let's just do the whole, let me just savor the moment and do the unboxing. Okay, this video is also for me when I look back in the video, like in the future, and just look at it while it's still new and smells amazing. Share this joy with me because this is freaking amazing, because I never would have thought that I could get this like now. So yes, it is a mini Kelly. Yes. Alright, so let me not just be so freaking annoying, cat. Oh my god, you're so annoying. So this is like my birthday bag. I seem to get like birthday bags, okay? So revealing my first, has to be first because you never know in the future, but my first mini Kelly in the color mushroom, gold hardware, and it's in chef leather. It's the most beautiful bag. Let me just take this out. Now, I have used it a few times already. I went out with a friend and that was like the first time, and I went out with another friend and then that was like the second time. But I haven't actually like really used it because, well, I'm waiting for a little bag organizer. It's Swift leather inside. It's absolutely gorgeous. And I've already taken out the strap. This is what my mini Kelly looks like with the strap. I love chef leather. It has a bit of a sheen and it's so stunning. I am so thankful for my essay for pulling this through. I actually asked for the mini Kelly pretty recently because I'm kind of hoping to get the Birkin Cellier 25, which I've heard that it's going to be discontinued or something. For some reason, I thought, you know, maybe I should get a small bag first because I haven't been using my Birkin very much. So, I don't know, I just brought it up to my essay and my essay was like, what? Because it's really hard to get, or at least that's what I was told. But then I got the call. It was like, hello, again on the message. It was just amazing. I went to the store. My essay showed it to me. I was thrilled because I already had Epsom, I've already had Togo, and I have another Epsom which is my Constance. So it was just, yeah, it was really amazing because I think I wasn't expecting to get chef leather, and I know chef leather is harder to get. So when I got this, I'm telling you, if you have a chance to see chef leather, it's just an absolutely gorgeous leather. And they call it mushroom, and I'm telling you, they did such a great job at imitating mushrooms. The glazing has this light brownish gray tinge to it. It's kind of cool tone. And even this leather, this whitish gray white, it's still in the gray family, so it's not actually very warm. It's actually quite cool tone. Oh my gosh, it's just absolutely, it's beautiful. So this is my birthday bag. I got it about slightly more than a month ago, but I've been just treasuring it for myself, and now I am ready to tell all of you. So this is the first birthday item in today's haul video. I also picked up a piece of jewelry, and I've been wanting this for a while, but it's been sold out for, yeah, the longest time. It is a piece of fine jewelry and it completes my Shandong collection. I finally got the ring, which is very popular and just hard to get from the store. I got it for my ring finger. This seems a bit more elegant on the ring finger, and it just kind of, I don't know, it just feels good on this finger now. So this is a slimmer finger, and if I were to get my usual size 51, 52, it would be a little loose. I can actually fit it into my third finger. It is kind of cold. I have the aircon on. It's a very just simple design and very popular. It took almost like what, a year and a more than a year and a half for me to actually see one in store. I've been asking for this since maybe 2021, and every time I go in, it's no stock, no size, big sizes, 53, 54. So when I asked my SA again, do you have this? And they had it in 50, I was like, 50 sounds a little small. But when I tried it, because of the thin profile, it just fits. So this is my second item, and adding on to my little Hermes collection. Sticking with jewelry, these earrings and this necklace is also part of my birthday haul, and they are from Ideal. Oh my gosh, when I got this, I talked about it in my everyday jewelry video. It's better than what I expected. This is the pear-shaped Ava necklace, and it is like a giant diamond necklace. Just look at it. Then I got the pair of these Joan earrings. I actually really like them like this when I'm, got my hair up, and because it's really thin and slim and the diamonds at the end just sparkle a little bit, it actually looks good even if you have short hair. Like if you imagine you have bob hair, and every time I move, look at that, it just sparkle. Oh my gosh, I love them. I just got the back piece because Ideal is modular, so I have the diamond stud earrings from my previous collaboration. So all I did was just get the back and then put the diamond on top of it. If you have purchased from Ideal, you know what I'm gonna say. The packaging is amazing. It feels like I'm getting a gift every time I receive the box, and this time it came with a cleaning set. You get a bigger pouch where the jewelry is, and this time I got the cleaning kit, which is gonna be so handy for all these jewelry that I got. The Hermes jewelry, this jewelry, the old jewelry, all my old jewelry, my jade ring, all of that, because it comes with this solution. It's like to shine, and it even comes with a buffing brush where you can buff like the diamonds and get up any kind of grime and dirt, from showering and stuff, right? So yeah, I'm really excited because my jewelry needs a bit of a clean, and like earrings and all. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. It is ginormous. I think this is their biggest jewelry, or at least biggest diamonds. There was a comment in one of my videos that said you cannot compare lab-grown diamonds to like naturally mined diamonds. To be frank, chemically they are exactly the same. So they are as tough as diamonds, they are chemically exactly the same, they're carbon. The only difference is it's made in a lab. So from a cost perspective, it's going to be so much cheaper. If I were to get this giant diamond, this is like 1.5 carat. I don't know, I'll put a size below. This is gigantic. If I were to get this from De Beers or Cartier, don't even talk about my Mini Kelly anymore because it's so expensive. But now I can enjoy diamonds with, it's like flawless, and not feel guilty about it. This is sustainable. These are just, I love them. And if you were to get these kind of designs from those jewelry houses, you will not get them. I have a birthday dinner coming up next week. We're going out, we're gonna like girls' night out, and I'm so excited for that. And I'm just gonna wear this because these are just so, they're beautiful for a dinner, they're beautiful for a party, and I love them. So I will link them down below. You can easily check them out. I'll also link my other pieces, which I've been talking about raving as well, in the description section down below. I also got something from Hermes as a birthday present, so thank you, Amy. I received it, we were chatting, and I told her, can I please open it? And I had to put this in this video because I am dying to use it and probably put photos out as well. So oh my gosh, she knew, okay? She knew that I would not buy this for myself. So she got me a watch strap. I've got a card as well, so thank you. I love it so much. God, it's so good. I will put the unboxing because I was literally so excited. I was having a pretty tough week with work and stuff going on that it was a really welcome surprise to receive a gift, and I just could not wait. I got this maybe a week ago, or maybe more than that, a little over a week ago. Oh man, it smells so good. It is a leather strap, and I'm gonna take it out right now. Thank you so much. This is such a generous gift. It is a leather strap from Hermes, and it has my favorite shandong on it. I love this like piggy's nose. So let me swap it out right now, and you can take a look. Totally transforms the whole look. And Amy got him to add 2 more holes because we have tiny wrists, and this is just perfect. It feels buttery soft. I'm wearing it a little loose because it's kind of hot outside, so I want it to have a bit of, you know, movement. So this is my birthday present from Fashionably Amy. I think I love a single strap. I've been using the rubber ones from Hermes for, well, forever, because you know it's just good for going out, wearing for the gym. And then I have the double twirl one, which I don't use as often because maybe it's double twirl and I'm just always in the gym. But now I have this, and I just feel it's just easier to put on and off. And I think it matches my entire outfit today. So this is my Hermes birthday present. Thank you so much. Oh, I love it. Speaking of Amy, she just texted me. And the final item for today's haul is from FAVES. That's not sponsored. I bought this with my own money, but I had to because they were going to discontinue. Oh, they discontinued this line. I think they did already. So you might still find a sprinkling of it. But I purchased this bag back in my life. I have been waiting for the right color. I was hoping to get a bright color, but they discontinued this particular line, which is the crossbody bag in lambskin. It's such a good bag. I bought it from FAVES and I decided to get it. And I wanted to tell you all about it in this video because I have a short code. It's not sponsored. I don't get anything from it. Not even this bag. This is my own money. The reason why I like this older design is because of this. This button here, and there's a little like a slip pocket, is because if you go to the train or you need your parking tickets, you need to run out, just something to open and quickly access instead of zip, like the zip at the back. The new version does not have this feature. It's a little smaller and it's flat up front. I guess it's more clean, you don't have these lines. But I actually really like this, and I like the adjustable strap. This is really good for traveling, and I'm looking forward to using this for running errands as well. Yeah, this is my officially third, because I think maybe about half a year ago, I unboxed this in a FAVES video, but I took black. And when I received it, I thought, oh, great black. But after that video, I was looking at it, I was like, no. I found black maybe a bit too dialed down, and I returned it, and I was waiting for another color. Actually, I was waiting for something like a green or a yellow. But then, lo and behold, it started to discontinue, and I rushed to get this out straight away. And I thought, okay, gray, I'll take gray. And actually, I kind of like the gray as well. It's like an elephant gray. It's really, really pretty. So yes, I have this back in my life, and it is part of my birthday haul. That concludes the first part of my birthday haul. I will be filming part 2 after this, and I hope to get that up in about a week or so. I do hope you enjoy this and you're sharing the joy with me. It is a spendy month. I always know that birthday time I go a little bit crazy and I buy stuff, but then I will taper down towards the mid of the year. Anyway, if you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when part 2 goes up. Part 2 is gonna be pretty exciting. We have some stuff that is pretty unexpected as well. So look out for that. And thank you for joining me today. I am so, I don't know, I'm just looking at my mini calendar. I'm so blessed and really thankful, and thank you for supporting my channel as well. Anyway, everyone, please take care, you stay safe, and I will see you then.